you say slow down. I don't like to.
Here. Watch out for this and that.
What?
Oh, that's fine.
I'm not gonna play your paintball.
Hold on. Okay, you go do that.
Oh, did your snowflake break?
I'm making my door
The
now.
snowflake didn't do that good. We don't know.
It's all Lauren's fault.
No, I didn't do the snowflake.
I did.
You did the snowflakes. You messed up my snowflakes.
She
That's
did
okay.
the angels. Lauren did the angels.
I did the other one for half.
It's okay, Allie. If Lauren did, I would be mad. But if you did, since you did it, I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
Now that's just me, Brandon.
It's a joke, Austin. Now that's just a joke, Austin.
Is it any good?
Okay, there. That's my door. Now I need the sprinkles.
Does this look good? That looks good.
Actually, I need this. Oh, black mints. Oh, wait, those are
Okay, I got three here.
It's spicy though, isn't it?
Oh,
I need it.
I think you could I have it?
no, I don't want to use that.
Mommy.
No, I want to fix it. I had it, then also made no.
Yellow, red, and green.
Yeah, I have to try this.